all you lovelies, Jennifer Ziliotto here, back for another Style Fix video. Thank you for joining me again this week on my YouTube channel. Happy to have you here in this little community. If you're new here, I'm Jennifer. I'm an artist, designer, and stylist, and every Friday we talk about style, which is so much fun. And so today I wanted to address a comment that I got from a video that I did at the beginning of January, talking about the fashion trends for 2025. And one of those fashion trends is this oversized, big, boxy dressing. And the comment was, how do you make that work for a curvier figure? So I thought this is a perfect topic to address in today's Style Fix video because we're sort of moving into spring and I myself love this trend. I've been doing it a lot, and so I thought I would share some of my looks with you with kind of a mood of spring in the background in hopes of inspiring you in case this is something that you want to try and haven't yet. There's a few things to keep in mind if you do want to try this trend, and that is the whole idea here is to be deliberate, is getting out a figure flattering type outfits and really going boxy, being bold, being deliberate here, because more is more, and there's a kind of powerful message in this style of dressing, because it's not standing back and saying, oh, look at me, I'm this pretty little thing. It's more kind of bulldozing along the street, taking up space in this powerful kind of way. I love it for that. And I love that we're not worried about looking pretty and feminine. It's kind of more about taking up space, which I think is so cool. And it's very empowering. There's a couple of things to keep in mind, especially if this feels very daunting to you and you're not used to playing around with a lot of volume. There's a few little tricks that you can consider. One of them is more is more, and adding more volume, more height. For instance, with perhaps a big hat or a bow in your hair. So the outfit is, yes, very boxy and oversized, but adding some height is going to elongate your figure. Then perhaps you want to think about textures here, adding texture, adding print. Again, it's all about more is more. So the more layers you add, kind of the better. I love this idea also of doing a one color outfit or a one color suit or more of a color blocking. And then a great way to make this work for a curvier figure is to define your waist a little bit. So a high-waisted pant or a shirt tucked in or doing that half tuck really, really works. And then another place to play around with this to make it work for a curvier figure or a not curvier figure for that matter, it's the same rule applies. And that is doing a cropped top with a long pant or long skirt, something that is deliberately long, deliberately wide, oversized, and then cropping it, so sort of playing around with the balance of your torso and your bottom, skews those lines a little bit and really makes it work. I also love this idea of doing a lot of volume on top and showing off your legs, whether it's in the wintertime and you want to do it with a pant or a tall boot, or in the summertime with a great sandal. I think that this volume here, again, is this powerhouse arriving down the street, this big billowy volume, and then you see these little legs and it just really works proportionately. And then, like any outfit, adding in great accessories is always going to finish it off. It's always going to make the outfit look polished. No matter how big and baggy the outfit is, it's really going to take that outfit to the next level and make it look like you really thought about how your choices of the outfit. And then that makes it look really on trend and it really works. So for myself, I wanted to show you a few outfits of how I was playing around with this. Because I am a curvier body, I thought this was the perfect place for me to really explain these ideas in detail. And the first look for me is something that I've been doing a lot. This is a look that I really like. To me, it feels very polished. It's super comfortable and is quite dressy. So here I have a wide leg pant that's cropped with a big clunky boot and then an oversized blazer. And the reason why this works on a figure like mine is, yes, it's obviously a lot of volume, it's obviously oversized, but because I've got a shirt underneath the blazer that shows a little bit of skin, it actually makes everything elongated and it makes it look as though I've done this boxy, big size, oversize on purpose. And if I wanted to wear this outfit moving into the spring, where the blazer has an outer layer, then here I can add this big scarf in tones that are similar that really work with the black of the pant and the dark brown of the boot, and then a black leather bag here. The accessories are really elevated. Yes, now I've covered up the skin of the scoop neck, but because the scarf is also really big and oversized, it just pulls everything all together. Next outfit is what I was talking about with this big volume on top and then the little legs underneath, showing off the legs. I wear this cotton poplin dress. It's from quite a few collections ago and I wear it a lot, especially in the summertime. But I really love this idea of this crisp cotton, big volume with wearing it in the wintertime. This would be an outfit that I would easily wear out for dinner. And I decided to pair it with the texture of a leather legging. Kept those same clunky big boots on, those brown boots, and the dark brown with the black faux leather legging complements each other. I just added in a simple gold cuff here and then a black and white little zebra print purse, and this is a perfect going out for dinner outfit. It's warm, it's super comfortable, I can eat as much as I want, and it really works on a curvy figure because I'm kind of hiding underneath this big billowy top. Next outfit is been lately totally a go-to outfit. I've been loving wearing white jeans this winter, and especially as the days are getting brighter and lighter, it feels really appropriate. Kept the same clunky brown boots on, added in this turtleneck navy and white striped sweater, and then these wide leg white jeans. To finish off this look, if I'd like, I can do a peacoat over top and then take this vintage Longchamp bag, crossbody bag, and I feel like this is a perfect moving into spring kind of outfit. It feels fresh. Yes, it's very boxy, but because there's a white on the bottom and a dark on top, again, it looks very deliberate and it really works. And then my final outfit is something you've probably seen me wear a few times now. And these are these bullet jeans that I bought last spring that I love. They're so comfortable. I kept those same clunky brown boots on, added in a striped t-shirt because we are going into spring and it's nice to have some lighter stripe here. And then this big oversized knit sweater. I've done the half tuck here because I wanted to define my waist a little bit. I feel like with a big volume of pant like this, defining my waist really makes it work for a curvier figure. And then finally, if I want to take this outside, adding in that big same scarf again because the colors really work together, and then a cute little crossbody bag. Simple, it's very relaxed and sporty kind of feeling. And if I didn't want to wear the clunky boots and I wanted to switch it up for Converse, that would really work too. So there you have it, my lovelies. I hope this got you inspired. I hope this makes you want to try this trend. I think it's really fun. And like I said, I think it's really empowering and kind of important that we sort of think differently from time to time about how we dress. Anyway, have fun looking through your closet and finding some ways to play around with this trend. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. You know I love hearing from you. And of course, for more style ideas and more inspiration, continue to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram. And don't forget to hit that subscribe.